I first discovered limited learning through the director, Janine. So since Eliana has started here at Easter Seals, I have seen such a tremendous growth in her fine motor skills. When you see that a child comes into a place and she's happy, she doesn't want to leave. The connection with the teachers too as well. The teachers make a big major part of Easter Seals. So when I see that her teachers are not looking her at a number as a diagnosis, they're looking at her specifically for who she is, Eliana, and how do we get her to be better. And then every time when I come to the school, they're giving me reports. They're saying, hey, this is how Eliana did today. This is the area we got to hone in more, Diana. I want you to know this is what's happening here. I did not get that in the public school setting. I love Easter Seals. I really do.